How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, glad to hear that. What time is it in the Philippines? It looks so dark.
4:23.
Oh,
4
it
4:23
looks it
p.m.
looks so dark though. Why is it so dark?
Hi.
Hello. Okay. Oh, are you
She's
eating?
my, she's my nephew.
Oh, hello, nephew. What are you eating? Can you share some with me? Come on, I have a bowl actually. You know what? If you can share, that'd be
It's
nice too.
okay. And this is my cousin. Hi.
Hello. Oh, one big happy family.
We're not the happy family because we are fighting together. Just
That's
like
what makes
Andy.
family. That's what makes family. If you aren't
No?
fighting, you guys are not family.
Ah, alright.
Exactly.
We're from
Ah, man.
Pampaya. Oh,
Sorry?
nothing. Oh, suntukan.
You guys
Oh,
okay?
don't ignore him.
Okay, sure. You know
Sorry.
what? Yeah?
Um, but I'm not sorry, but I'm not really good in English.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Alright. Here, have my bowl.
Oh, ano daw? What in Indonesia?
Yes, I'm from Indonesia. Where are you in are you in Manila?
Yeah, I'm from Manila, but province.
Okay, okay.
I'm from Luzon, but in Morong Rizal. Manila.
Okay. I don't know too much about the Philippines. Can you guys tell me more? Oh yeah, the question.
From
Do you like balut?
what? Baluk.
Balut.
Balat.
Balut.
Yes. And Penoy. Penoy.
It looks so scary. I don't know how to, I don't know. I don't want to eat it. It looks so scary.
No, that's not scary. And in that is very delicious. In Balat, I don't like seafood. Where are you from? Indonesia.
Indonesia. I'm from Bekasi.
Assalamualaikum.
Oh wow.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Are you guys Muslim or what?
Did you Where did you live in Indonesia?
I live
Oh,
in
Mutato.
Bagasi.
Bagasi. Oh my gosh, my friend is Jakarta.
Oh, we're close. Yeah. I used to live in Jakarta also, but I moved because I'm working here in Bekasi. So yeah. All right,
Yeah.
guys.
Are you content creator?
Nope, I'm not
Are you?
content creator.
Oh.
Yeah. Do I look like one though? Hold on. Okay, I gotta go now. So I'll
Bye
see you.
bye.
Okay, bye bye.